Hello and welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Quorum Credit Card Online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Quorum Credit Card Online, open up a web browser. Into the URL box at the top, type in www.quorumfcu.org and press enter on your keyboard. The Quorum Federal Credit Union operates as a financial cooperative. The union provides financial solutions such as loans, investments, savings, credit and debit cards, online banking, and so much more. Once you end up in the official site, go and click on the login link at the top of the screen. As soon as you click on the login button, scroll a bit down and you'll be able to see the login area. Go ahead and type in your username associated with your online banking account and head over to the password field and type in your password. Once you enter your information, you can click on the login button, but in case you've forgotten your username or your password, you can go ahead and look for them by clicking on this Forgot Username link or the Forgot Password link appearing on the right hand side of the screen. Once you enter all of your credentials, click the Login button and you'll be able to log into your Quorum online banking account. From there, select the credit card option and access your credit card online. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.